Okay, so I had a lot of people ask me why I was at the skin center last night, and I went because I was looking for something that could help with the fine lines that are under my eyes, and I wanted an opinion on what Dr. Warren thought would help. So it's harder to tell when I don't have on makeup, but when I do have on makeup, that's when I really notice it. And he recommended the Micro Eyes NEOcutis Rejuvenating Cream, which looks like this, and you apply it. So you just apply it, like get the tiniest little amount and rub it on your fingers. Do this twice a day, and just right under here. And it's supposed to help with the hollowness and the crow's feet, the fine. I'm pumped to try anything, honestly, that will help with signs of aging. And I wish that I had cared more about my skin when I was younger, because 30 is hard to accept. This skin is every day, I'm like, ugh. And I feel like anything that can be done to help with that is like such a taboo subject, especially on the internet. So like anything like Botox or fillers or anything like that, like all of that stuff I was so uneducated about. Getting older is rough.